Hello friends, my name is Pawan. In this video, we will make this user registration URL public and authenticate. And also in this video, we will configure the web security adapter. So let's check. So here I created one package, that is a security package. In that security package, I created one class, that is web security, which extend the web security configure adapter. After that, we need to override this configure method. This configure method will call when we deploy the application. Means while class loading, this configure method will call. After that, make CSRF disable, because we are using the web services, so make it disable. And then do the authorize request. Means any authorize request and matcher any request and having the IP address 192.168.25.21. This IP address is coming from the Joule. Means this IP address is Joule API Gateway Service IP address. So I will show you how to get the IP address. By using this code, you can get the IP address. So I wrote this code in a Joule API microservice, and you will get this system my IP address. So we will make authorize request. Any authorized request coming from the Joule API gateway, we will do it as a authorized request. So, and after that, let's open the Joule API as a microservice. In Joule API microservice, I create the security package. In that security package, I created one class, that is web security. This web security class also extend the web security configure adapter. And same thing, we need to configure this configure method, make CSRF disable, make header frame option disable, and here we need to make the public user registration URL. So this is our post method. After that, user microservice name, this is our application name and user, and this is post request. So this is, we will permit all, means any of the user can call this request, and other request we will make it authorized. So, and make our session is testless. Let's check how it is working. Let's first start Eureka Discovery Server, after that Joule microservice, then user microservice. Our Eureka server is started, and Joule and user microservice is registered in Eureka server. And let's try to create this user. So in previous video, we will get the unauthorized request error. So let's try this time. Okay. Okay, our user is created. Let's check in database. Yeah, here you can see password is in a encryption format, but in response to add password, it is not a good practice, so we will remove this from this bin. Thank you.